Despite being on the market since 2016, the Oukitel K10 Pro is a smartphone with a 5.5-inch screen with a 10,000 mAh battery, but already has support for fast charging thanks to its 12V and 2A charger, which allows to fully charge the device in only 2.5 hours, obtaining a range of up to 7 days of use. This model incorporates MediaTek Mount 6750 T8-core chipset and includes 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. A performance that once made it an advance to its time in terms of performance. The new model of the Chinese manufacturer, Oukitel K10, picks up the legacy witness and integrates all the best of its predecessor, adding one range optimization in the energy consumption of the hardware and improving the performance of its 11,000 mAh battery that, despite having grown in capacity, reduces the loading time by stopping the stopwatch in 2 hours and 15 minutes. While remaining true to the brand's legacy in terms of autonomy, the Oukitel K10 has adopted the latest trends, incorporating a 6-inch screen with 18:9 aspect ratio. In addition, the new model integrates a MediaTek Mount 6763 processor, 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage.